Okay, number 38, we have, looks like a related rates problem. We have this ladder falling down the wall. It's got 15 feet here, and it's got, so the ladder's falling, the ground is slippery, dy dt, and our labeling here, that's being y, that's being x, those are changing quantities. We know the dy dt here is negative 12 feet per second. And at the instant when x is equal to 9, we want to find dx dt. So ultimately we're after dx dt. We know the instant doesn't get put in until later. We know that these can be related by the Pythagorean theorem because we have a right triangle here. So if we write x squared plus y squared equals 225. And then if we differentiate with respect to time, and we fill in our blanks. And they said the instant when x is equal to 9. We know dy dt is 12. What about the y that goes in there? Well, when this is 9, we could figure out y by the Pythagorean theorem, couldn't we? So if we do 225 equals a squared plus 81. 225 minus 81 would be conveniently 144. 12 would be our A. And ultimately we'd have 18 over here, dx dt over here, and then if we add that stuff to their side, we get 288 over here. If we divide, 288 divided by 18 is how much? 16. Should be letter D. Nope. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, I'm looking at, no, no wonder. I'm looking at the wrong one. Yep, I mean, any related rates problem, we ultimately have, whatever derivatives we're trying to find and have, we need to get some kind of equation that relates those variables here, and, the easiest one here in this case would be the Pythagorean theorem. If they wanted some kind of angle here, how the angle is changing, then we would have to write maybe a sine or cosine sentence. But ultimately, we just wanted to find an equation that will relate those variables, because ultimately, once we have it, we can write it. We can just find the derivative with respect to time, plug in the values, we're good to go. Sir?
When you're plugging in like the instances in the derivative, where did you get the 12 from? Did you 12 instead of
This one?
Yeah.
Well, ultimately, at the instant, this is 9, right? So like 9 squared plus y squared equals 15 squared. That's what I did right here. Yeah. So here's your 15. Here's your 9. So anything else on this one? What else? Let's move the calculator part.